Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, where learning English feels easy, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
Hey, everyone. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today's topic is one of my favorites, hobbies.
Ooh, yes. Talking about hobbies is such a fun way to practice English.
Right. Everyone loves to talk about what they enjoy doing in their free time.
So in this episode, we'll help you learn how to talk about your hobbies and explain what you love in clear, natural English.
Well, let's warm up.
Okay, Jack. First question. What's your favorite hobby?
That's easy. I love playing guitar.
Oh, yes, you do. Sometimes too loud, if you ask me.
Hey, that's how I practice. Music sounds better when it's loud.
Sure. So how can learners say that in English?
You can say, my hobby is playing guitar.
Repeat after us, everyone. My hobby is playing guitar.
Or you can say, I love playing guitar.
Right. That one sounds a bit more natural in conversation.
Yeah, my hobby sounds okay, but it's a bit formal.
So if someone asks, what do you like to do in your free time? You can answer, I like playing guitar, or I enjoy playing guitar.
Or even, I love to play the guitar.
Nice. There are many ways to say it.
Emma, what about you? What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. It's so relaxing.
Oh, yeah. You've always been the artsy one.
And you've always been the noisy one.
Guilty. But let's teach our listeners some new hobby phrases.
Good idea. Okay, everyone, listen and repeat after us.
I love reading books.
I enjoy cooking new recipes.
I like watching movies.
I'm interested in photography.
I'm crazy about football.
Perfect. These are all great ways to talk about hobbies.
Emma, can we do a mini quiz?
Ooh, yes. Mini quiz time.
Okay, I'll say a sentence. You guess if it means I like it or I don't like it.
Sounds fun. Let's play.
First one. I'm not really into sports.
That means I don't like sports.
Correct. Ding ding.
Yay! Okay, my turn. I'm really into cooking.
Easy. That means I like cooking a lot.
Yes,
One more. I can't stand fishing.
that's a strong one. It means I really don't like fishing.
Exactly. Can't stand means you really dislike something.
Great job, everyone. Now let's teach a few hobby expressions.
Like in my free time or on the weekend.
Yes, for example, in my free time, I play chess.
On the weekend, I like to go hiking.
After school, I draw in my sketchbook.
Before bed, I watch YouTube videos.
He means too many YouTube videos.
Hey, research for English learning, of course.
Sure.
You can also say, I spend my free time reading.
Oh, that's a nice one. Repeat after us. I spend my free time reading.
Great. You can change the last word. Reading, painting, jogging, playing games.
Let's practice with examples.
I spend my free time playing football.
I spend my free time watching dramas.
I spend my free time learning English.
Yay, that's the best one.
Definitely.
Now, Jack, let's talk about how to explain why you love your hobby.
Oh, yes. That's important. Saying why makes your English sound more natural and interesting.
For example, I can say, I love painting because it helps me relax.
Or, I love playing guitar because it makes me feel happy.
See? Just add because and your reason.
Let's try some more.
I enjoy cooking because I love trying new flavors.
I like reading because it takes me to another world.
I love jogging because it gives me energy.
I like gardening because it's peaceful.
Great.
Hey, Emma, what's a hobby you used to have but don't anymore?
I used to play the piano when I was younger.
Oh, yeah, you were good.
Thanks. I stopped because I didn't have time for it anymore.
Listeners, notice how she said, I used to. That means it was true in the past, but not now.
Exactly. For example, I used to swim every morning.
I used to play video games a lot.
I used to collect stickers when I was a kid.
Oh, you really did. You had like 100 cute cat stickers.
Don't remind me. I was obsessed.
So, listeners, try using used to when you talk about old hobbies.
Yes. And if you still do them, just say, I still. For example, I still play guitar.
Or, I still like painting.
Perfect. Now let's teach how to ask someone about their hobbies.
You can simply say, what do you like to do in your free time?
Or, do you have any hobbies?
Or, what's your favorite thing to do after work or school?
Nice. Let's do a short conversation as an example.
Okay, I'll be me and you'll be my new classmate.
Got it. Hi, Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love painting and watching movies. What about you?
I like playing guitar and going for walks.
That's cool. Music and nature, good mix.
See? Simple, natural, friendly.
Exactly. You don't need difficult words to sound fluent.
Just smile, be curious, and use simple phrases.
I love that. Okay, one more game.
Ooh, what is it this time?
Guess the hobby. I'll give clues and you guess the hobby.
Okay, ready. You need a camera. You take pictures of people or nature.
Photography.
Yes, ding.
My turn. You need a ball. You kick it into a goal.
Football, easy.
Okay, one more. You do it in the kitchen. It smells good.
Cooking.
Correct again.
That was fun.
Yes, games help make English learning more natural.
Totally.
And remember, everyone, when you talk about your hobbies, speak with feeling.
Right. Don't just say, I like reading. Say it with energy. I really love reading.
Exactly. Add emotion, add life to your words.
English sounds better when it sounds like you.
Aw, that's sweet.
I mean it.
So, listeners, what about you? What's your favorite hobby?
Write it in the comments below. We'd love to read them.
Oh, wait, I think we forgot one hobby that everyone here probably loves.
What's that?
Learning English with us.
Best hobby ever.
No question. And it's such a useful hobby, too. You can use English anywhere, at school, at work, while traveling.
Exactly. And when you talk about your hobbies in English, it's a great way to make friends.
Yes, because hobbies are something everyone has. It's an easy topic to start a friendly conversation.
Like, imagine you meet someone new. You can say, "Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?"
Simple, polite, and friendly. And if they ask you back, you can answer with something you enjoy.
Right. Let's show a few more short examples.
Okay, I'll start. I like cooking.
Oh, nice. What kind of food do you like to cook?
Mostly pasta and desserts.
Yum, I love pasta too.
See, one small topic becomes a full conversation.
Exactly. That's how you keep a conversation going in English. Ask questions and share your thoughts.
Yes, after you answer, always try to ask another question back.
For example, I like swimming. What about you?
I love hiking. Do you go swimming often?
That's perfect small talk.
And it helps you sound confident and friendly.
You know, Emma, I think many learners feel shy when they talk about themselves.
True. They think their English has to be perfect.
But it doesn't. Even short sentences are great.
Exactly. You can say, I like reading, or I love cooking. That's enough.
The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
I remember when I started learning Spanish, I was nervous too.
Oh, yes, you used to say yo gusta pizza instead of me gusta pizza.
Don't remind me. But see, mistakes help you learn.
So, learners, don't be afraid to make mistakes when you talk about your hobbies.
Yes, because communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly.
Okay, let's do another mini activity.
Ooh, what's this one called?
Add the reason.
Sounds good.
Okay, I'll say a hobby, and you have to add why you love it.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, reading.
I love reading because it helps me relax before bed.
Nice. Cooking.
I like cooking because I enjoy trying new recipes.
Gardening.
I love gardening because it's peaceful and quiet.
Great. Now you try, listeners. Think of your hobby and say, I love blank because blank.
Say it out loud. It really helps your brain remember the structure.
Yes, speaking out loud is better than just reading silently.
Exactly. That's how you train your mouth to move naturally in English.
How about we teach them a few descriptive words to make their answers sound more interesting?
Great idea. Let's add some adjectives.
Okay, for hobbies that are relaxing, you can say, it's relaxing, it's calming, or it's peaceful.
For hobbies that are exciting, say, it's fun, it's exciting, it's amazing.
For hobbies that are creative, say, it's creative, it's inspiring, it makes me feel free.
And for hobbies that are active, say, it's healthy, it keeps me fit, it gives me energy.
Let's show a few examples using these adjectives.
Jushk, I love yoga. It's relaxing.
I enjoy drawing. It's creative.
I like running. It keeps me fit.
I love singing. It's fun.
Nice. Easy sentences, but full of emotion.
You can even mix them. I love dancing because it's fun and helps me stay healthy.
Perfect. That's natural English.
Let's practice one more pattern. I'm good at.
Ah, yes, that one's great for talking about hobbies, too.
For example, I'm good at painting.
I'm good at playing chess.
I'm good at cooking Italian food.
Or if you're not good at something, you can say, I'm not very good at.
Like me with math. I'm not very good at math.
Or me with dancing.
You are.
Thanks, sis. So supportive.
Anytime.
Okay, quick practice for our listeners. Repeat after us. I'm good at cooking.
I'm good at drawing.
I'm not very good at sports.
I'm terrible at singing.
Nice job, everyone.
See how simple and useful these patterns are?
Yes, with just these few sentences, you can talk about almost any hobby.
Let's help our listeners make a full, short paragraph about their hobby.
Great idea. Let's give an example first. I'll go first. I love playing guitar. I usually play in the evening. It's relaxing and helps me forget stress.
That's perfect. Now mine. I love painting. I paint on weekends. It's creative and makes me happy.
So everyone listening, try to make your own little paragraph like that.
Start with what you love, when you do it, and why.
Like this. I love blank. I usually blank. It's blank because blank.
Yes, that's your homework, friends.
And if you want to sound even more natural, you can add with or alone.
For example, I like playing football with my friends.
Or I enjoy reading alone.
I love cooking with my mom.
I like watching movies with my family.
Awesome.
Before we finish, Emma, I have one last fun question.
Oh, I love your fun questions. Go ahead.
If you could have any new hobby in the world, what would it be?
Maybe scuba diving. It looks so cool and peaceful underwater.
Oh, wow. That's brave. I'd probably choose flying a plane.
Of course you would. You love doing crazy things.
Hey, it's adventurous.
Listeners, how about you? If you could try any hobby, what would it be? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we always love reading your answers.
And maybe we'll talk about your hobby in a future episode.
That would be awesome.
So, friends, let's quickly review before we go.
Sure, today we learned how to talk about your hobbies using I like, I love, or I enjoy, explain why using because, use I'm good at and I used to, and describe your hobbies with adjectives.
Exactly. And most importantly, don't be shy. Talking about your hobbies is one of the best ways to practice speaking English.
Just remember, short sentences are okay.
Yes, what matters is your confidence and your smile.
Well said, sis.
Oh, thank you.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.
This was the English Twins podcast.
Thanks for listening and keep smiling while you learn.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.